While we were growing up as teenagers, there was a popular Christian mantra: life is short, death is sure, sin the cause, Christ the cure. It was so popular that it had calendars, stickers, tracts, and even notepad covers printed with the mantra. For many, spreading the mantra was a way to evangelize and make the world know that in Jesus, people can find forgiveness of sin and live a new life. As I reminisce on it now, I see that we were not only being told about Christ, but also told to be intentional about our one chance at life. Life is short means time is a precious resource. Life is finite, and time is our most valuable asset. We should be reminded that every moment spent on activities that don't bring happiness or fulfillment is a missed opportunity. We must be selective about how we spend our time. Before we continue, please press the like and subscribe buttons. You can also share the post with your friends. We will be very glad. Let's go on with our discussion. Life is short, so it must be spent on the pursuit of happiness. Happiness for ourselves and others should be a central focus of our actions. But what does happiness really mean? For some, it may be joy in relationships. For others, it could be a sense of accomplishment or perhaps living in alignment with one's values, like how you integrate biblical principles into your life and allow them guide your behavior. Life is short. Avoid distractions. The need is not just to focus on happiness, but to also avoid distractions, those things that drain energy without adding real value. This could be toxic relationships, unfulfilling work, or habits that don't contribute to personal or collective growth. Life is short. Live with purpose. Make your every action intentionally designed to lead to growth, fulfillment, and a sense of meaning. What makes us truly happy often aligns with our life purpose, whether it's financial independence, personal growth, or faith. Life is short. Live it well. You can like, leave a comment, share this post with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you again. Thank you.